Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little short video of my den. So, my nature den. My kind of nature harvest den. So, this is like the little front room. There's little plants and everything. It's kind of a natural nature den. You walk through a little tiny mini little bamboo forest right there. This is the harvest room. There's a bunch of plants. There's a bunch of vegetables and fruit and stuff. So, that's pretty cool. That's one of my favorite plants, at least. A little rose cart there. Some leaf fans. Sorry if you hear the hamster wheel in the background. My hamsters just feeling it. We're also going to save for the update. So, yeah. This is my little tree, potted plant tree room. There's another cart, the greenhouse, sorry. Window that my friend gave me, BJ Gangle 101 to be exact. This is one of my trees, and this is a little room, just a little planty room. This is just where I keep the rest of my extra room stuff, but this is one of the coolest rooms, I think, so. My favorite room is personally my harvest room. Eat the potatoes, eat the potatoes. I'm going to eat everything. Nom, 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 nom. Oh wow, better eat quick. Nom, 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 nom. Here, I ate everything. I put everything back. Sorry for the scratching and stuff. Good for my cat. Yep. Now I can eat everything over again. No, wait, I probably don't have time for that. So yeah, that's my little harvest kind of den. It's like, and I'm buddies with myself, so that's it. Nothing. Oh, never mind. Goodbye, me. Goodbye. I'm gonna die in the food room. At least I can die with food. At least I can die with the food. I'm going to die with the food. At least I can die with these spikes. I'm just kidding. Yes, I'm going to die with everything I have. Die. Die. Peace out, crust. I like to move it. I will eat all this food while... How am I going to make this food last while the update's on? Trick question. A last minute look at this. No! The world is dead! Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this fail update video thingy.